Hello viewers, welcome to another exciting video where I explore the wonders of nature's bounty. Today, I am talking about a rather remarkable vegetable that often goes unnoticed in our daily lives, often overlooked, yet brimming with goodness and versatility. It's the pumpkin, a true marvel of nature that deserves more recognition. Found in gardens and kitchens across the globe, pumpkins are a staple in many cultures. We often associate pumpkins with Halloween carvings and autumnal pies, but their uses extend far beyond these traditions. There's more to this humble gourd than meets the eye. Its versatility in cooking and health benefits are truly remarkable. Beneath its bright orange exterior lies a treasure trove of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients have profound effects on our well-being, supporting everything from vision to immune function. One area where pumpkin truly shines is in its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for those mindful of their diet. This is vitally important for our health, particularly for those managing conditions like diabetes, where blood sugar control is crucial. Stick around while I uncover the fascinating world of pumpkins, exploring their history, uses and benefits. Discover how this humble vegetable can contribute to a healthier and more balanced life, offering delicious and nutritious options for every meal. I will be sharing a simple yet delightful pumpkin recipe that's not only good for your blood sugar but also a treat for your taste bud, so keep watching. For centuries, pumpkins have been a staple food in many cultures, prized for their versatility and flavour. From hearty soups to sweet treats, this versatile vegetable adds a unique touch to countless dishes. But beyond its culinary appeal, pumpkin offers a wealth of health benefits. Its vibrant orange hue hints at its rich antioxidant content. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting our bodies against damage from harmful free radicals. These free radicals contribute to aging and various diseases. Pumpkin is also a good source of fibre, vitamins and minerals. These are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. But what sets pumpkin apart is its remarkable ability to help stabilise blood sugar levels, a benefit that has garnered significant attention from researchers and health enthusiasts alike. Now let's delve into the nutritional treasure chest that is the pumpkin. Don't let its simple appearance fool you. As mentioned before, this gourd is packed with a surprising array of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. But one of the most significant benefits of pumpkin lies in its low-calorie nature, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight. But don't mistake low-calorie for lacking substance. Pumpkin is rich in complex carbohydrates. These provide sustained energy release, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes. This is particularly important for managing blood sugar levels, a topic I'll explore in greater depth later. Let's talk about fibre, a crucial element often overlooked in our diets. Pumpkin is an excellent source of dietary fibre, both soluble and insoluble. Now you might wonder, why is fibre so important? Well, fibre acts like a gentle guardian in our digestive system. Soluble fibre in particular dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance. This slows down digestion and helps regulate the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This gentle regulation is key to preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes pumpkin a valuable ally for individuals managing diabetes or those aiming to keep their blood sugar levels stable. But the benefits of pumpkin don't stop at fibre. This versatile vegetable boasts an impressive profile. It is an excellent source of vitamin A, which plays a vital role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and a robust immune system. The pumpkin is also a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects our cells from damage and supports immune function. And let's not forget about minerals like potassium, found in abundance in this vegetable. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure, regulating fluid balance, and supporting muscle function. This symphony of vitamins and minerals work in harmony to provide a wide range of health benefits, making pumpkin a true nutritional powerhouse. Now, let's delve into the heart of the matter. How pumpkin contributes to stabilizing blood sugar levels. Our bodies require a delicate balance of glucose, the sugar our cells use for energy. This balance is orchestrated by the hormone insulin produced by the pancreas. When we consume carbohydrates, our blood sugar levels rise. This rise signals the pancreas to release insulin, which acts as a key, unlocking the doors of our cells to allow glucose to enter and be used for energy. However, when this delicate balance is disrupted, it can lead to fluctuations in blood sugar levels, potentially causing fatigue, cravings, and long-term health issues. This is where pumpkin steps in, playing a crucial role in maintaining blood sugar harmony. Pumpkin's unique combination of fibre, specifically soluble fibre, and its low glycemic index work in synergy to regulate blood sugar levels. The soluble fibre in pumpkin acts like a gentle brake on digestion. It slows down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing those rapid spikes that can occur after consuming high GI foods. This gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream allows the body to better manage blood sugar levels, preventing dramatic fluctuations. Furthermore, pumpkin's low GI means it's digested and absorbed slowly, further contributing to stable blood sugar levels. Now you might be wondering, is there scientific evidence to support these claims? The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others, to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So, go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it. Then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Numerous studies have investigated the blood sugar regulating effects of pumpkin. For instance, a study published in the journal Nutritional Research found that consuming pumpkin extract significantly reduced blood glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Another study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated that pumpkin polysaccharides, a type of carbohydrate found in pumpkin, exhibited potent anti-diabetic effects in animal models. These studies, along with others, provide compelling evidence supporting pumpkin's role in blood sugar management. Let's look beyond the science and now explore its practical applications and what this means for you and your daily life. Well, incorporating pumpkin into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support healthy blood sugar levels. And the best part? Pumpkin is incredibly versatile. It can be enjoyed roasted, steamed, pureed, or even added to smoothies. Whether you prefer savoury dishes like pumpkin risotto or sweet treats like pumpkin bread, there's a pumpkin recipe out there for everyone. Now, let's put our newfound knowledge into practice with a delightful and healthy pumpkin recipe. This recipe is not only simple to prepare but also bursting with flavour and goodness. It's a true testament to how delicious healthy eating can be. I'll be crafting a creamy and comforting pumpkin soup, ideal for a light lunch or a heartwarming dinner. This soup is packed with fibre, vitamins and minerals. It's also naturally sweet, so you won't need to add any refined sugar. This makes it an excellent choice for those watching their blood sugar levels. Let's embark on this culinary journey together. The heart of our soup lies in the pumpkin itself. For this recipe, I'll be using canned pumpkin puree, which is readily available and saves us the time and effort of roasting and pureeing a whole pumpkin. However, if you have the time and inclination, roasting your own pumpkin will enhance the flavour of the soup. Simply halve and de-seed a small pumpkin, drizzle with olive oil and roast in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius until tender. Once roasted, scoop out the flesh and puree it until smooth. Whether you're using canned or homemade pumpkin puree, ensure it's of good quality and free from any additives or preservatives. Now, let's turn our attention to the supporting cast of ingredients that will elevate our pumpkin soup to new heights of flavour. I'll be using a medley of warming spices to complement the natural sweetness of the pumpkin. These spices not only add depth and complexity to the soup, but also offer their own unique health benefits. Cinnamon, for instance, is renowned for its blood sugar regulating properties. Ginger aids digestion, while nutmeg adds a touch of warmth and comfort. To start, gently sauté a finely chopped onion and a clove of garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil until softened and fragrant. This will form the flavour base of our soup, adding a savoury depth that beautifully balances the sweetness of the pumpkin. With our flavour base prepped, it's time to bring all the elements together. Add the pumpkin puree, vegetable broth and coconut milk to the pot. These ingredients form the heart of our soup, providing a rich and creamy base that is both nutritious and delicious. Next, we add our carefully selected spices to the pan. These spices not only enhance the flavour, but also bring a warmth and depth to the soup that makes it truly comforting. Allow the soup to simmer gently for about 15 minutes. This simmering process is crucial as it allows the flavours to meld and deepen, creating a harmonious blend that is both satisfying and nourishing. The coconut milk adds a lovely creaminess to the soup, making it rich and smooth. It also provides healthy fats that are beneficial for your body. Meanwhile, the vegetable broth provides a savoury depth, balancing the sweetness of the pumpkin and the richness of the coconut milk. If you prefer a smoother consistency, you can blend the soup with an immersion blender until it is smooth and velvety. This step is optional but highly recommended for a luxurious texture. Finally, season to taste with salt and pepper. Adjusting the seasoning at the end ensures that all the flavours are perfectly balanced. Ladle the soup into bowls, making sure each serving is generous and inviting. Garnish with a dollop of Greek yogurt, which adds a tangy contrast to the creamy soup, or add a sprinkle of toasted pumpkin seeds for added texture and flavour. These seeds not only provide a delightful crunch, but also boost the nutritional value of the soup. This simple yet satisfying pumpkin soup is a delicious and nutritious way to incorporate this blood sugar-friendly vegetable into your diet. Enjoy every spoonful, knowing that you are nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. Enjoy. As we've journeyed through the world of pumpkins, remember, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is not just about avoiding sugary treats. It's about making mindful food choices that support our body's natural ability to regulate glucose. Including pumpkin in your meals can be a delicious and nutritious way to achieve this balance. And pumpkin, with its versatility and impressive nutritional profile, deserves a prominent place on our plates. Whether roasted, pureed or baked into a pie, pumpkins offer a myriad of ways to enhance our meals and our health. So, I encourage you to embrace the pumpkin in all its glory. Experiment with different recipes, from savoury soups and stews to sweetbreads and muffins. And remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or boring. With a little creativity and a dash of pumpkin, you can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals that support your blood sugar goals and contribute to a healthier, more vibrant you. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video, but until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Until next time, may your days be filled with good health, delicious food, and the warm glow of the humble pumpkin. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.